Clicking on the recording tablature and ensuring that you are in your home page, you will see that there are a number of widgets which are displaying metrics relating to your account. So for example, the first widget is a call counter widget, in which it's displaying a number of metrics regarding your calls that have taken place on this account. Over the last hour, or calls today, or calls last week. In fact, it even shows you whether you are up or down for the same period from last month. On the right hand side, you can also see the call volume widget, and this call volume widget can be rendered in 3 different time periods. The default is the this month period. You can then go and select from the drop down over the last 4 weeks, and it will then show you the call volume in terms of weeks, or you can look at months where you can look at the last 6 months and the call volume per month. Likewise, there is also a user activity widget, and underneath this activity widget, metrics are given about the users that have logged in over the last 14 days and what activity they have performed. And the activities that will be displayed on this bar chart are the number of logins that could have occurred by this user, the number of calls played back by a particular user, and the number of quality assurance completed by this current user. So for instance, this particular user over here, if I hover over the dark blue, will tell me that this user has logged in 93 times, and if I hover over the slightly blue line next to the name, it says this user has played only 1 call in the last 14 days, and this user has performed 3 quality assurances in the last 14 days. Similar to the call volume widget, you're able to change the date range of the logged in user activity by clicking on the circumflex for the range. You can select 14 days, which is the default, or you can select the last month of who has logged in over the last month and their activities that have taken place. And likewise, you can decide, I would like to see what's happened over the last 6 months. Depending on the role that has been granted the logged in user, they may or may not see the security logs widget. The security logs widget is a useful feature in that a person who has the permission is able to see what activity the users actually did on the account at a slightly more granular level. So they are able to go to that particular user, and then they can click to view that user's activity by clicking the view user next to that user's name, and they can go and see all that activity that has taken place. You're also able to sort this table for any of the columns. I'm just going to select the log type column, and I want to see, did this particular user do any deletion when they logged into this account? And by pressing on that and filtering according to the deleted log type, you can see all the behavior of deletion that this particular user performed. Let us return back to our home page now.